Good morning. Today we discuss with regard to oogenesis. The process of formation of a mature female gamete is called oogenesis, which is markedly different from spermatogenesis. Oogenesis is initiated during the embryonic development stage when a couple of million gamete mother cells are formed within each fetal ovary. No more oogonia are formed and added after birth. These cells start division and enter into prophase 1 of the meiotic division and get temporarily arrested at that stage called primary oocytes. Each primary oocyte then gets surrounded by a layer of granulosa cells and is called the primary follicles. A large number of these follicles degenerate during the phase from birth to puberty. Therefore, at puberty only 60,000 to 80,000 primary follicles are left in each ovary. The primary follicles get surrounded by more layers of granulosa cells and a theca and are called secondary follicles. The secondary follicle soon transforms into a tertiary follicle, which is characterized by a fluid filled cavity called antrum. The theca layer is organized into an inner theca interna and an outer theca externa. It is important to draw your attention that it is at this stage that the primary oocyte within the tertiary follicle grows in size and completes its first meiotic division. It is an unequal division resulting in the formation of a large haploid secondary oocyte and a tiny first polar body. The secondary oocyte retains bulk of the nutrient rich cytoplasm of the primary oocyte. Can you think of any advantage for this? Does the first polar body born out of first meiotic division divide further or degenerate? At present we are not very certain about this. The tertiary follicle further is into mature follicle or Graafian follicle. The secondary oocyte forms a new membrane called zona pellucida surrounding it. The Graafian follicle now ruptures to release the secondary oocyte from the ovary by the process called ovulation. Menstrual cycle. The reproductive cycle in the female primates, example monkeys, apes and human beings, is called menstrual cycle. The first menstruation begins at puberty and is called menarche. In human females, menstruation is repeated at an average interval about 28 to 29 days, and cycle of events starting from one menstruation till next one is called the menstrual cycle. One ovum is released during the middle of each menstrual cycle. The major events of menstrual cycle are shown in figure. The cycle starts with menstrual phase when menstrual flow occurs and it lasts for 3 to 5 days. The menstrual flow results due to breakdown of endometrial lining of the uterus and its blood vessels, which forms liquid that comes out through vagina. Menstruation only occurs if released ovum is not fertilized. Lack of menstruation may be indicative of pregnancy. However, it may also be caused due to some other underlying causes like stress, poor health, etc. The menstrual phase is followed by follicular phase. During this phase, the primary follicles in the ovary grow to become a fully mature Graafian follicle, and simultaneously the endometrium of uterus regenerates through proliferation. These changes in the ovary and uterus are induced by changes in the levels of the pituitary and ovarian hormones. The secretion of gonadotropins, that is LH and FSH, increases gradually during the follicular phase and stimulates follicular development, as well as secretion of estrogens by growing follicles. Both LH and FSH attain a peak level in the middle of cycle, that is about 14th day. Rapid secretion of LH leading to its maximum level during the mid cycle called LH surge induces rupture of Graafian follicle and thereby the release of ovum. The ovulation or ovulatory phase is followed by the luteal phase, during which the remaining parts of the Graafian follicle transform as the corpus luteum. The corpus luteum secretes large amount of progesterone, which is essential for maintenance of the endometrium. Such an endometrium is necessary for implantation of the fertilized ovum and other events of pregnancy. During pregnancy, all events of the menstrual cycle stop and there is no menstruation. In the absence of fertilization, the corpus luteum degenerates. This causes disintegration of endometrium, leading to menstruation, marking a new cycle. In human beings, menstrual cycle ceases around 50 years of age, that is termed as menopause. Cyclic menstruation is an indicator of normal reproductive phase and extends between menarche and menopause. Thank you.